Hello, it's Eddie with National Billiard Academy. This video is part of our pre-clinic series, information that we would like you to have before you arrive at the intensive pool clinic. And today's subject is the standard open bridge. That's what we would like you to use while you're attending the clinic. There are many variations of the open and closed bridge, and we'll cover 16 different bridges in the clinic. One of them will just click with you as your favorite bridge. But we definitely want you to use an open bridge, and so I'm going to show you how to form an open bridge. Okay, the standard open bridge starts with your hand flat on the table. The table is very sturdy, so more of our hand we can get flat on the table, the better. The fingers are slightly spread. As you work with spreading your fingers more and stretching the muscles in your hand, you might be able to go wider with this bridge, which is good. Now, the thumb joint just comes up to the index finger knuckle. And this will cause a little bit of gap here between the table and your index finger knuckle. That's okay, that's natural. It almost has to happen. But we want to keep it as flat as possible. And you definitely want all of your hand flat. And that's the standard open bridge. I want to thank Team MBA for all their support. I'd like to thank Sure Thing Billiards here in Myrtle Beach. And thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in a pool clinic very soon. Take care.